Very good evening, friends. I'm Nannakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. So, I'm explaining you how to take the trade. Before taking any trade, you need to mark the boundary of the previous day. That's how I have marked. See, once we have marked, you know the previous day boundary and the price opened flat and pierced through the boundary. You can see over there, 3 candles piercing through the boundary. Observe the close of the candle. See, even though they pierced through the boundary, the closing of the candle was within the boundary. You can see first candle is a John Wick candle. It's a huge pin bar, and the next bar is the red bar, and next one is a green bar. So you need to see how whether the market is moving higher high. So if I change the time candlestick pattern to this one step line chart, you can see price making an higher high clearly. So price is above the TWAP. I applied my indicator TWAP. Price is above the TWAP, and the indicator what I'm using is giving the RSI levels. RSI levels converted into price levels. You can see the price above 24,390 and price is above the TWAP, then your entry is confirmed. Once you get to know about the price above the TWAP, and you need to plan your stop loss and your target that should be there. So what I did was I measured the range of the move breakout, and the range measured move was fixed in the market. So actually there was 67 points up move. So finally I measured it and fixed it to 24,388. Now we need to see how the market moves and the PE trade is over. Once you see the PE trade, so it is the successful stock market strategy. Okay. Once you get the successful stock market strategy, finally you will be in the profit. Profit is yours. This is how you have to do strategy entry in a very good manner. So if you like this video, subscribe, like, share and comment.